Welcome to the beautiful Skagit Valley. Here at Double N Potatoes, in the shadow of Mount Baker, these magnificent fields of flowers hide something even more beautiful: colorful potatoes.
Well, when my dad started packing under his own label, his name was Norm Nelson. So Norm Nelson, 2 N's, and he called it Double N.
Jerry Nelson has been farming in the Skagit Valley for many years. His love for the area and his passion for farming have kept him growing some world-famous potatoes.
We've been growing it for over 45 years. So don't ask me how old I am. But,
well, I'm not asking that.
Although Jerry is well known locally for his high-quality produce, he also sells overseas to countries like Vietnam.
I'm one who served in the Vietnam War.
Okay.
And to think that now here I am back and able to sell potatoes into that area which we were fighting is exciting to me.
For me, that begs the question then, what is it about the Skagit Valley that grows a potato that you can ship worldwide?
I like to say we're in the heart of Washington State. We feel like we have a perfect climate for growing colored potatoes. You know, one thing most people don't understand, all of agriculture is grown in the desert. This is one of the few places in the world where it's not grown in a desert. These are high organic soils, and they're very conducive to growing lots of different things. And one of them is growing colored potatoes, and we get a beautiful color. Whether it's whites, yellows, or reds, we get a good color here. The downside is we have a shorter window for planting, a shorter window for harvesting, so there's more risk in it, but there is a reward when things go right.
I have to ask, what's your favorite way to enjoy potatoes?
I really enjoy it when I see other people enjoy potatoes.
Oh.
Yeah, and it's music to my ears when people come and say, "What do you do to your potatoes that make them taste so good?" We get potatoes other places, they don't taste like yours do. You can't beat that. And we get that quite often. As far as myself personally, there isn't very many ways I don't like them.
Now I think it's time to see some potatoes for myself.
What's the proper way to harvest a potato?
Well, the first thing you do is when you get potatoes the right size that you want, you defoliate. Once you defoliate, they quit growing because you got the optimum size you want. So then when you come and harvest them, all this is dried up and gone away.
Oh, okay.
So you want me to pull a plant?
Show me how to do it. Yes, sir.
Oh, well.
or talk me through it.
First of all, because you're on film, what you have to do is look for the perfect one.
Oh, well, I have to follow your lead.
But we're lucky here today because they're all perfect.
All right.
When you pull on them like that, and you feel a resistance,
oh, yeah.
you know that there's something going on there.
That's beautiful. So I just gonna...
Well, no, what you do is you grab them all together.
Oh, okay.
And get as close down as you can so they won't break when you pull them up.
All right.
Get down here as close as you can with both hands.
All right.
And just bring them up slowly. There you go. Good
Hot
job.
Diggity dog. Day one.
Good job. Look at the nice root system that's on there.
That is great.
Yeah.
Look at those.
I feel like I've been very, very fortunate that I've been born in the Skagit County. I've been able to farm for a living. It's a perfect place for me. And if I was to live my life again, I feel real fortunate if I could be able to do what I'm doing now. In agriculture, when you're growing things, you're starting anew every year. And I like that. Yeah. Things start over again.